We're glad you came today. We're glad we came today. It's satisfying to be with you, to feel you, to know you, to hear you, to acknowledge you, to love you, to be you. We feel satisfaction about what's coming for you, and we want you to feel that satisfaction too. And we're satisfied that you're in a better place to feel satisfied about what hasn't come yet than you've ever been before, because when you reach that understanding, when that's your knowing that you can be satisfied even though it hasn't come, and you stop trying in the unsatisfied moments to goose it along, it's like pushing a noodle, it never works, then you'll be in that place where you will so much more consistently be satisfied. You're not ever going to get it done, so don't strive for perfection. Just keep asking for more, because that is the mantra of the universe. It's the most natural thing to know. More, 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 more. So we know you as these brilliant, deserving beings who decided to come into this environment at this time, in these bodies, knowing that the perfect balance of this magnificent, perfectly balanced planet would support you, because that's how balanced it is, and intrigue you because it's not finished, and inspire you because it must, if there is to be more. That you were standing in your non-physical knowingness, wanting to participate in an environment that would evoke fresh new ideas and insights from you, because you understood unequivocally then that you are an eternal being, and it takes a lot of desire to keep eternity going, which means it takes plenty of contrast to give birth to those new desires. So you were so wise, you played it just right, your timing was perfect, you came into your body and you exposed yourself to contrast, which has built the most amazing vibrational reality to which you have full ownership. It's time for you to cash in your vibrational chips. It's time for you to get into that satisfying mode and just see what your vortex can yield into manifestation for you. But don't get too hung up on the manifestations. Someday we are certain that we will come together again, you and us, your inner beings, your physical beings, and we will have conversations about de-manifestation, because you will have then come to know that as lovely as stuff is, that loveliness is also what you feel, and that you don't have to have physical ownership in order to have satisfaction, and that there is freedom in freely moving through environments without dragging so much with you everywhere you go. Life is supposed to feel good to you. I want to leave you with some things that we know about you. You are deserving of all good things. You can play it any way you like. You're supposed to feel good, but it's not wrong if you don't feel good. The better you feel, the more good feeling things will come to you. But even then, there will be things that will disappoint you, because you are an evolving being. It is necessary for you to know what you don't want in order to know what you do want. And the process that you were born into is so well balanced that you cannot get it wrong. You cannot get it wrong, and you will never get it done. And the reason that you can't get it wrong is because it is never done. It is always amendable. So wherever you stand from our vantage point is the perfect place. We want to reinforce, we want to enhance your acceptance of your worthiness by our absolute knowing of it. And when you are with someone like us who knows it so surely, sometimes you can know it too. Over the days that will follow, life is going to be brighter for you than it has been. Don't compare your brightness to anyone else's. It's not a competition of brightness. is just an acknowledgement of your movement within all of this. There is not a standard. There's not someone looking at you and evaluating who among you is doing the best. There is only your inner being who is loving you with everything that your inner being is, wanting you to feel the fullness of that love now and now and now and now and now. And so we'll give you the words, but we'll offer you the vibration as well. There is great love here for you. And for now, we remain stubbornly in your vortex. You guys are really, really wonderful. That was awesome. That was awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for coming. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.